Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. In this video, we will be looking into the Java programming interview questions that are frequently asked in the automation testing interviews. So today we will be seeing the pattern-based interview questions. Now, many a times you would see that you would get such kind of patterns for writing a program with the programming language that you have mentioned. So let's say if in first line you have 1 star, in the second line you have 2 stars, third line you have 3 stars, fourth line you have 4 stars, fifth line you have 5 stars, so on and so forth. So this kind of pattern based Java programming interview questions are quite common in the interview, and you can expect these questions to come in a real time interviews. People do ask such kind of questions. Okay, so now we will be writing the Java program for the same. And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. So let's begin with the thought process. Now, whenever you get this kind of question in an interview, the thing is the interviewer will ask you that what kind of you know approach you would be taking. Even if they don't ask, then it is your responsibility to discuss the approach, to discuss the logic with them. For example, if you go with method 1 but they were expecting method 2, so initially if you will start the discussion with, okay, we have couple of methods, method 1 and method 2, there are two approaches, so he'll get an idea, okay, this candidate is actually is having knowledge of how to solve this problem. Okay, then if you will open up that discussion, then you can also get some hint from him, okay, which is the optimized solution, which solution that he is looking for, right? So that's how you can take. Now, when you see this pattern, so there are two things that must come to your mind. One is the symbol remains the same, irrespective of line 1, line 2, line 3, or line 4, the symbol remains the same. Okay. The second thing is that if you will see in the second line there are 2 stars, in the third line there are 3 stars. So as the counter is increasing, the number of stars are also increasing. So you can know that we are going to have a for loop for this solution, right? You will get an idea. Okay, so what we will do is we'll write a for loop. So let us go to Eclipse directly. I think it would be much better to write the program in Eclipse. So let me share my screen. Okay, let me remove this code for now as this is not useful, and we'll have two closing brackets. Now, slowly and gradually we'll see the program. For integer I equal to 1, we'll start with the 1 count. I is less than equal to 4. Why less than or equal to 4? Because in the question they are looking for 4 number of rows. So I is the first for loop. This is the first for loop in which we will be playing with the number of rows. So if you have number of rows as 5, then you have to take I is less than equal to 5. And we'll put star here and we'll put semicolon. Okay, this is not the output. Let us run this once so you will get an idea what output it is printing. Again, these videos, the creation of these videos is too difficult and it is too time taking. So please do hit the like button, right? Okay, so now let's continue with this problem statement. So we have got the for loop and you can see the number of rows we have got. Now what we have to achieve is the columns. Columns in the sense, if I have second row, I should have 2 stars. If I have third row, I should have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. So those are columns. If I have 4 rows, then I'll have 4 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So columns. First for loop will define the number of rows for you. Second for loop will decide the number of columns for you. So now let's go for the second for loop. For integer j equal to, so this is the another variable that we have taken with the data type integer. j equal to 1, again we'll start with j, and now j is less than equal to I, because I will be the outer for loop which will be driving the inner for loop in which we are playing with the j. Okay, so you have got two friends here, out dot print l. Okay, now we won't go for print ln. What would happen if we go for print ln? It will move to the next line, but we want to print in the same line. So let's keep star here and let's keep print itself. Okay, so let us save this now. Let us run this and see. Right, so you are getting 1, so you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now why we did not get 1? Right, so let us see again that stub not out dot print. So now we are getting 2 stars here. So what we will do is we are printing stars 2 times, right? So instead of this, if we just write print ln here and we make it a print. Okay, so now this is the pattern that you have got in the first line. You get star as once. In the second, you get star as twice. In the third, you get star as thrice. In the fourth, you get star as 4 times. Now, instead of star, if we put I itself here, then what pattern you are getting? Let us see that as well. Right? I equal to 1. So let us not put this I in this manner. Yeah, let us put in the terms of values. So we'll be passing 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the another pattern that got generated. In the first row, it is only one number. In the second row, it is 2. The third row, it is 3. In the fourth row, it is 4. Now so now this will be an open question for the people who are watching this video. What would be the output if you put J here, right? So think if what output you will get, right? So that's it for this video. In this video, we were seeing about the pattern-based Java programming interview questions that can be frequently asked to you in an interview. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.